Dry, pleasant conditions over us tonight as we check out live Doppler 2X across western Ohio, the dry weather. But we're picking up a few blips on the radar scope to the west of Interstate 69 and back out to the west of Indianapolis, too. Now, all this has been moving southeastward, and you can definitely see a weakening trend here in the radar trend, at least as it makes its way southeastward. So overnight, we're expecting these showers to gradually weaken, fall apart, and the chance of a shower, at least a slight chance, will exist tomorrow, mainly to the west and south of Dayton. Even a couple of lightning strikes tonight out along the Illinois-Indiana border. Tonight, partly cloudy skies in the Dayton area, 68 degrees. We've dropped below 70 now. A north-northeast wind at 6 miles an hour, 47% the relative humidity, and our dew point quite comfortable at 47. 70 degrees, our satellite newsroom up in Springfield, 44% the humidity, and a light northwest wind. Earlier today, up to 82 with a low this morning of 61. Hit the century mark back in that hot summer of 1988, 48 the record low, 1983. And our weather checkers tonight up north, a half dozen of them here in Don Chateau in Sydney at 68 degrees. Betty Shappy Versailles 71, and Lowell Miller in Greenville at 69. And then as you head on southward, notice the temperatures tonight mostly upper 60s to right around the low 70s. Jim Robbins in Beaver Creek at 68 degrees. Barb Shively in Union reporting 70, and Greg Shower in Centerville at 72. So there's the cool air already into the upper 50s around Mansfield, 64 degrees in Cleveland, and then we have the warm air to the south of us, 78 degrees tonight at Louisville. So a pretty good contrast there in the air, and right along that contrast, that's where we're seeing the active weather. Showers, thunderstorms tonight from Minnesota extending across Illinois and into western Indiana with that weakening trend as that rain tries to move in the more stable air over us. But we'll keep our eye on these little, what we call convective complexes that drop out of the plain states, especially this time of year. One of those you can see tracking southeastward into Iowa tonight with heavy rains and some strong winds and lightning, numerous strikes of lightning. That should stay west of us, though, as we head on into tomorrow, but we can't rule out an isolated shower here during the day on Wednesday, but the best chance is west and south of Dayton. Otherwise, we'll stay dry. Still a mild day tomorrow, pleasant temperatures with highs expected in the 70s, but look at the old hot word starting to show up on the map there by the time we get to Thursday and into Friday, and that's going to be moving northeastward into our area, so get ready for the heat by the end of the week. Our forecast tonight, we drop down to 58 with partly cloudy skies. A cool night coming up for sure, at least for July, and then tomorrow that slight chance of a spotty shower, a pleasant day, and we'll see a mix of clouds and some sunshine, but only up to about 76 degrees with that east-northeast wind. 67 at 10 o'clock, 71 at noon, 74 at 2 o'clock, and 75 at 4, and also at 6 p.m. So pleasant afternoon coming up, but only very slight chances of any rain. And there is your outlook this evening. Of course, we saw the partly cloudy skies, and of course, anytime you want to check it out, live Doppler 2X at WDTN.com. Thursday, a high of 83 degrees, so we'll start that warming trend, and then Friday's when it really gets hot and humid as we hit 90 degrees. There will be a chance for a shower or thunderstorm as we roll on into Saturday, even Friday night and into Saturday as our next cool front arrives. May see a lingering shower into Sunday, but at least it's only a brief